guys, it's your girl Imani here, and I'm back for another video. Today I am making my very own protein DIY deep conditioner, and as you can see, I am using rice water in here, using a banana, avocado, honey, and an egg. So let's see how this turns out on my hair. But before we get started really with that, well, you guys are gonna just continue watching while I talk. But this video is super special because it's a collaboration video with my girl Journey with Izzy, who is super dope. She's another natural hair YouTuber, and she is just so sweet. This is my girl on YouTube, Instagram. Like, she's always leaving me love. Like, I love the girl, and she does like amazing things with her hair. So y'all make sure y'all check her channel out. I'm gonna leave the link to her channel and the video that she is doing her own DIY deep conditioner in the description box below. Make sure you let her know that I sent you there. So anyway, back to this video. So as you guys can see, I'm just putting all the ingredients into my little NutriBullet blendy cup thingy. I don't know what you call it. And then we're gonna mix it on up. To add a little bit more rice water in my mixture because it was a little too thick. I love me a thick deep conditioner, but it was just like too thick where the ingredients weren't really mixing well. Okay guys, so I just finished washing my hair with my Thank God It's Natural TGIN shampoo, and as you guys see here, I'm splitting my hair into 4 sections, which just makes it a lot easier for me to get the deep conditioner onto each section of my hair. And here I was just showing you guys how like thick the deep conditioner is, and you guys know I love me a deep conditioner, so I was loving this stuff at this point, and it actually smelled really good. It just smelled like I was putting like a salad. So as you guys see, I'm just coating each strand with the deep conditioner, making sure each strand gets the same amount of love as its neighbor strand, making sure I get it like nice and saturated there. And at this time, I'm just loving the way it feels. It feels nice and thick. It feels like it's really getting into my strand, and I have like no complaints right now. Plastic baggie. We don't do plastic caps here. We are not that bougie. And then I am going to just wrap it up in there, and I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer for like 15 minutes or so, and pray for the best. Alright guys, so I am back. I just rinsed the deep conditioner out of my hair. I don't even know how long I had it in my hair for because I sat under the dryer for like 15-20 minutes, and then after that I like got caught up in like cleaning a little bit. So I think I had this in my hair for maybe like an hour, I would say, but I don't think you even need that long. Like, my intentions was to only sit under the dryer for like 20 minutes. So I've just finished washing it out, and I gotta tell you guys, I'm gonna be real honest with you guys, I don't like the way my hair was feeling as I was washing it out. It just felt like hard and like kind of brittle. It felt like detangling is gonna be like the worst thing in the world for me, and I'm kind of tempted to put like another deep conditioner in, so I don't know. But what I did realize, like as I'm like feeling it, I felt like I could feel each curl, if that makes sense to y'all. Like I felt my curls like real defined. So I don't know, let's take this off and see what's up under here. So I don't know if y'all can see. I'm trying to get a little close to y'all. Okay, so it actually doesn't feel that bad. It doesn't feel as soft as I would like it, but it doesn't feel like it's brittle or anything that I thought it was. I'm having a little bit of breakage, which y'all know I always get some breakage. We still working on that. But I don't know, overall, would I try this recipe again? Probably not. I think if I do this recipe again, I would have to leave out the egg. I feel like the egg is kind of like what drove this home, and like I feel like my hair would feel a little softer if it wasn't for the egg. So I would try the avocado, banana, and of course rice water. Rice water has been really good to me. I don't believe it was the rice water at all. And maybe I'll leave out the honey as well. Maybe the honey is like making like a sticky effect. I don't know. I don't know. But this exact recipe, no, I would not try. So unfortunately, guys, this was a little bit of a fail. Just a little bit of one though, you know? It wasn't like a whole fail. It was like a quarter fail. Don't get me wrong, I like the way my hair looks, but we're going for feel right now. We're going for feel and health. It's not really about how it looks or the length or anything like that. We left that in 2018, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and detangle this mess here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was like a quarter fail. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button with that notification button so you can be notified every time I make a new video. Don't forget to check out my girl Journey with Izzy so you can check out her DIY deep conditioner. You guys are going to love it. And comment below any recipes that you guys think I should try, and I will get to them in the future. Alright, love you guys. I'll see y'all for my next one. Bye.